Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel Camel Case. Building on our commitment to seamless software development, today's video dives deep into tips and techniques for gathering and analyzing software requirements effectively, ensuring a smooth transition from our previous discussion on CI/CD pipelines. Let's enhance the synergy between development and deployment. Let's dive in. Stakeholders' involvement. To ensure comprehensive project success, involve all relevant stakeholders, such as end users, managers, and developers. Conducting interviews, workshops, and surveys will facilitate the gathering of diverse perspectives, fostering a holistic understanding of needs and expectations. This inclusive approach enhances collaboration and promotes a more effective and user-centric outcome. Document existing processes. Begin by understanding the current workflow and processes to pinpoint existing pain points and identify areas for improvement. This crucial step lays the foundation for strategic enhancements, ensuring a targeted and effective approach to workflow optimization. By addressing these challenges, organizations can streamline operations and boost overall efficiency. Use multiple techniques. Achieve a thorough comprehension of project needs by combining diverse requirement elicitation techniques, including brainstorming, use cases, prototypes, and scenarios. This multifaceted approach ensures a comprehensive understanding of both functional and non-functional requirements. By integrating these methods, teams can enhance communication, mitigate risks, and develop solutions aligned with stakeholders' expectations. Prioritize requirements. Collaborate with stakeholders to prioritize requirements according to their business value and criticality. This strategic approach ensures that resources are allocated to the most impactful elements of a project, enhancing overall efficiency. By aligning priorities with organizational goals, teams can optimize their efforts and deliver outcomes that directly contribute to success. Iterative approach. Embrace an iterative approach throughout the project, continuously refining requirements as stakeholders deepen their understanding. This dynamic process allows for adjustments in response to evolving insights and changing circumstances, fostering adaptability and agility. Iterative refinement ensures that the project remains responsive to stakeholder needs, leading to a more resilient and successful outcome. Prototyping. Develop prototypes or mock-ups as tangible representations of the software, providing stakeholders with a visual and interactive understanding. This hands-on approach facilitates the validation and refinement of requirements in collaboration with end users and decision-makers. By incorporating this step, teams can enhance communication, reduce misunderstandings, and ensure that the final product aligns closely with stakeholder expectations. Visual modeling. Leverage visual models such as flowcharts, UML diagrams, and mind maps to illustrate intricate relationships and processes within the project. These visual aids enhance communication and comprehension among team members and stakeholders, fostering a shared understanding of complex concepts. By utilizing these graphical representations, teams can streamline decision-making and ensure a more efficient and collaborative development process. Clear and concise documentation. Precisely document requirements in a clear and concise manner to mitigate ambiguity and prevent misunderstandings among project stakeholders. This disciplined approach establishes a solid foundation for communication, aiding both development teams and end users in understanding expectations. Clear documentation serves as a reference point, fostering efficient collaboration and minimizing the risk of misinterpretation throughout the project life cycle. SMART criteria. Emphasize the SMART criteria to ensure requirements are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This approach enhances the clarity and precision of project objectives, providing a well-defined roadmap for both teams and stakeholders. By adhering to SMART principles, organizations can elevate the likelihood of successful outcomes while minimizing the potential for ambiguity or scope creep. Validate requirements. Establish a continuous feedback loop by regularly validating requirements with stakeholders to confirm their accuracy and relevance. This ongoing verification process ensures that the evolving needs of stakeholders are acknowledged and incorporated into the project, reducing the likelihood of misalignment. By prioritizing open communication, teams can adapt swiftly to changing requirements, fostering a more responsive and successful development process. Traceability. Establishing traceability between requirements and business objectives is crucial for maintaining alignment throughout the development process. This systematic linkage provides a clear understanding of how each requirement contributes to overarching business goals, aiding decision-making and prioritization. By fostering traceability, teams can enhance transparency, accountability, and ensure that the final product aligns closely with the strategic objectives of the organization. Feasibility analysis. Conduct a feasibility analysis to ensure that the proposed solution is both technically and economically viable. This comprehensive assessment evaluates the practicality and potential success of the project, taking into account technical constraints as well as financial considerations. By thoroughly examining feasibility, organizations can make informed decisions, minimizing risks and maximizing the likelihood of a successful and sustainable outcome. Risk analysis. Systematically identify and assess potential risks linked to each requirement, enabling the development of effective mitigation strategies. This proactive approach ensures that potential challenges are recognized early in the project life cycle, allowing teams to implement measures that safeguard against negative impacts. By integrating risk assessment into the requirement analysis, organizations can enhance project resilience and minimize the likelihood of disruptions. Cross-functional collaboration. Cultivate collaboration among various teams, including development, testing, and business analysis, to establish a unified understanding of requirements. This collaborative approach promotes effective communication and aligns perspectives across departments, fostering a cohesive and streamlined project environment. By encouraging teamwork, organizations can break down silos, reduce misunderstandings, and ensure a collective commitment to meeting project objectives. Version control. Introduce version control for requirements to proficiently manage changes and monitor the evolution of the project. This systematic approach enables teams to track modifications, ensuring transparency and accountability throughout the development life cycle. By implementing version control, organizations enhance their ability to maintain a clear audit trail, facilitating efficient collaboration and minimizing the risk of errors or misalignments. Manage changes effectively. Institute a robust change control process to systematically manage modifications to requirements, guaranteeing that changes are justified and thoroughly documented. This disciplined approach helps maintain project stability by carefully evaluating the impact of alterations and ensuring alignment with overarching goals. By establishing a transparent change control process, organizations enhance decision-making, mitigate risks, and foster a controlled and adaptable project environment. Validation and verification. Craft validation and verification processes to systematically confirm that the implemented software aligns with specified requirements. This structured approach ensures both the accuracy and adequacy of the developed solution, validating its functionality against established criteria. By implementing robust validation and verification procedures, organizations enhance the quality assurance of their software, minimizing the likelihood of defects and promoting a more reliable final product. Ultimately, project success depends on involving stakeholders, meticulous requirement documentation, and using iterative methods. Adhering to SMART criteria, embracing traceability, and analyzing feasibility and risks enable organizations to navigate challenges, fostering collaboration, and ensuring a resilient development process. In our upcoming video, we'll delve into a detailed exploration of a thriving SDLC implementation through an insightful case study, shedding light on the strategies that led to its remarkable success.
This much for today's learning. Remember, in the realm of wisdom, we all have a role. Knowledge is the key to reaching our goal.